Let's talk XRP. Some pretty big hitting news in this video. We're going to take a look at what's going on with the price. Is XRP about to break out and make a significant move upwards? Also, some more information out of that SEC XRP court case and a scam you need to be aware of. All of that in this video. So if that's something you like and you're holding XRP, then be sure to subscribe to the channel. We cover all of the cryptocurrency market and keep you up to date with everything going on. Now, let's take a look at the price currently of XRP, just at 41.64, marginally down on the day. Again, the market's been pretty crazy over the last couple of hours. We've seen a big Bitcoin pump all the way to 23.6, and then it's kind of come back down to consolidate around that 23.1, 23.2 level. So alt's starting to move a little bit, albeit a lot of buys going into Bitcoin. But, you know, XRP sitting really nicely. RSI trending slightly up. You would expect a small sell-off, and money flow still feeling really comfortable for XRP. Now, what are people saying? Well, bulls keep an eye on XRP for that breakout amid a lengthy consolidation phase. XRP is a really interesting one because a lot is still weighted on this SEC case, which we'll cover off in just a minute. People are kind of just sitting on the sidelines looking for any snippet of information that supports a justification to either buy, long or short or sell. One of those two things that could be happening. But what does this give us, and what's the information around this? And again, consolidations are good. They build support at certain levels, and we've been around this 39, 40, 41 level for quite some time. It says XRP is facing a prolonged consolidation phase, a trading pattern that offers possible hints regarding the token's subsequent price trajectory. Indeed, the value of XRP has stagnated in the same region for several months, showing no signs of a possible breakout. And that's this point where people just want to find out what's going on with the SEC. Which bit are we going to move towards? Do the SEC look like they're going to win? Does Ripple look like it's going to win? It says in particular between late October, January 25th, the value of XRP is mainly traded between the 40 cents and 46 cents. However, token has momentarily breached key support and resistance levels during the period while sustaining a high trading volume. And that's the important part. We are seeing a high trading volume for XRP coming through as people either buy in or people sell out. And I think this will continue all the way until we get some level of announcement. Now, March is what people are doing. We could get it at any point, though. To be clear, everything is in. It could come at any moment. It says the scenario could indicate XRP is pausing before making a significant move in either direction. In such a phase, XRP community may be monitoring the market conditions and waiting for a clear signal to buy or sell. Historically, such consolidations has ended up in a price breakout. Therefore, bulls could be monitoring the situation before deciding to move. The best, by press the time, XRP was trading at 41 cents with daily losses around 3.5%. On the weekly, about 2%. And again, volume looking pretty solid there for XRP. So if we get into a little bit of what is going on, why is everyone sat on the sidelines? The bulls feel like they are waiting to buy in line with the rest of the market. Well, we got some information from James K. Filan. Now, he's been kind of covering this from a legal aspect, and this is a document in response to the SEC trying to again hide, disclose, keep away from public view some of the declarations from some of the people within the SEC case. In particular, this one, the investment banker declarant's motion to seal his declaration. Absolutely crazy as we come into it. And this is Ripple's response. It says, as a preliminary matter, defendant's legal argument, the investment banker declarant, as an employee of the SEC regulated entity, submitted his declaration to the SEC voluntarily, offers no real basis for denying leave of redact. Investment banker's declarant worked at the SEC registered broker-dealer, and as such, as a sophisticated defense counsel in this case well know, was not in a position to decline a request from the SEC, his firm's primary regulator, for a declaration. So ultimately, in this case, this investment banker wants to redact his statement. He wants to be kept out of the court case. And you might be saying to yourself, well, why? And ultimately it says here at the bottom, if there were voluntaries in simple not a factor to the redaction analysis and defendants cite no case to the contrary, if anything, precedent firmly establishes that when there are compelling reasons to redact, particularly the privacy and safety of the third party in the litigation, these concerns outweigh other considerations. And in that case, there isn't. It says, the defendants identify no controlling precedent suggests that investment banker declarant's privacy and safety concerns related to the names and email addresses are in no way invalid. Taking their logical conclusions, defendant arguments would burden future government investigations, i.e. if they hide this information, then they will not be able to use this again in the future. It's absolutely crazy. If you still think the SEC are going to win this, then let me tell you, I don't think that's going to happen. There is so much in favor of Ripple and so much the SEC is trying to hide. So pretty crazy there. We'll keep you up to date with any more that kind of come out of there, as this is ongoing as we wait for the announcement and the end of this case. And finally, I did just want to touch on this. If you are an XRP holder, there are scams going around as ever in the crypto world, but this one is online fraudsters manipulating, pretending to be places like Ripple, Binance, and a number of other services. All I would say, they are offering ridiculous staking rewards that you have to connect your wallet to some random third-party site. If it's too good to be true, it probably is. Be mindful out there. People are trying to take your crypto. Not only the whales, not only the institutions right now, but equally the scammers out there. And it says here, the first 10,000 accounts receive a higher ARI. It's all nonsense. If you genuinely are concerned, come and join our Discord. It's free. It's open. We'll discuss it. We'll absolutely try and support you on your crypto endeavors to make as much money as you can without losing it. And likewise, follow me on Twitter, subscribe to this YouTube channel. We'll try and keep you as safe as we can with everything coming up, but stay safe out there, because the crypto world can be pretty crazy if you are not on it. Lots of scams, lots of people after your crypto, but as ever, let's see what happens with the XRP SEC case. I want to know, who do you think is winning the case? Drop it in the comments, SEC or XRP, and we're going to come back to this video in my live streams. Remember, at 4 p.m. Eastern every single night right here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.